Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so today I'm going to be doing a quick guess what's in the box video, but it's a bag, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so I got a quick guess what's in the box video, bag, aka bag video. Not sure what we're leaking on this bag, but some kind of sticky, wet texture. I don't know what that. It doesn't smell like anything. Alright, so the bag is 14.5 inches long by 10 inches wide, and in one spot it's let's say 2 inches deep in one spot. This spot right here. I will give you guys a hint. It is an Astro pneumatic tool. It is for lubing stuff. That's all the hints I'm gonna give you. I'll let you guys figure out and bleep bloop it down below what you think it is. I've been watching Vice Grip Garage a lot lately. That's where the bleep bloop came from. But I'll put a card up here if you guys want to go check out Derek's channel. You know, just a quick little video. I do appreciate you guys stopping by. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Last but not least, down below the top of the description, I do have an Ulsa Tools link. You guys go check out that link. You guys can get 10% off your order at ulsatools.com, as well as it kicks me back 10% off my next order with them. So it does help me bring tools to the channel, makes it a little cheaper for me. It does help you guys out because you get 10% off of whatever you're choosing to buy. You know, check them out. If they have something you need, go ahead and use the link. If you don't want to use the link, not a big deal. I do appreciate you guys. And there's a join button right next to my name down below. That's the memberships that I just created. If you guys have any suggestions on things that you would like me to add into the memberships, let me know, and I'll see if I can get that set up so it's more realistic for you guys to join, if you guys want to. I appreciate you guys' time. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Peace!